Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show how to run a disk check in Windows 10 and Windows 11 using the command prompt. The first step is go to the start menu and type Cmd, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes, and you can show this title bar, administrator or administrator. Other option to run a CMD as administrator is go to the taskbar and right click and select task manager. Wait a moment. This option, task manager, one click. And expand this window click on more details and go to the file tab and click on run a new task. Wait a moment. In this new option, type CMD and mark this option, create this task with administrative privilege, and click on OK, and you can show this window, administrator. Type this command, chkdsk space your disk, for example local disk C, 2 points space / and F and hit enter. Confirm in yes and hit enter, and you can show this option or this message. This volume will be checked in the next time the system restart. Click on close and restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Don't press any key. And wait a moment. Scanning and repairing your local disk. 100% complete. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.